Did you know a woman with a shameful past became the very first missionary? It was noon in ancient Samaria and the sun blazed overhead. A woman walked alone to Jacob's well, avoiding the other women who whispered about her life. She had come at the hottest time of day on purpose to hide from their stares. But sitting by the well was a Jewish man, and that was strange. Jews and Samaritans hated each other and they never spoke. Then he shocked her by asking for a drink of water. He began talking about living water that would never make you thirsty again. But then he said something that made her freeze. For he knew her deepest secret, that she had been married 5 times and was now living with another man. How could this stranger know what she tried so hard to hide? Suddenly she realized who he must be, the promised Messiah. She ran to her village shouting the amazing news, and many people believed because of her words.